Maggie, sit! Get her back. Oh, she gets back out there. She won't go back out there now.
Yeah, I know.
I'll get dressed later and go out there. Look, see, they're both out there and they're both rolling around in the snow.
Go ahead, go play.
Go get your friends out there. Don't get me.
Our winter wonderland.
Maggie, sit. Maggie.
She's eating.